Back in Sioux Falls, Great Bear Ski Valley will be closed today because of heavy winds. A news release says the park is expected to be open for regular hours for skiing and snowboarding on Friday. Extended hours for the holiday break begin on Saturday, December 21st, 2 days from now. That's going to run through the first of the year, January 1st, 2025. The park opens early at 8 a.m. on Saturdays, all winter to season pass holders. Great Bear hopes to open the Kirby Family Tubing Park for the season on Saturday.